Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, Up Your Arsenal. So, last time was... Hi.
If anybody finds a Star Master scientific calculator, please contact Lost and Found.
Oh yeah, that's right. Poor Skid McMarks was turned into a robot. And also, unfortunately we lost the life of Captain Qwark due to a trap set by Nefarious. So now we have to play the Qwark VID-COMIC to see what Nefarious is planning next. Yeah, I figured. We can't play the comics out of order. We gotta play them in order.
Qwark, Comic Episode 2, Ariba Amoeba. A new evil was gathering in the shadowy swamps of Blackwater City. A horrific breed of monsters known as amoeboids, born in the laboratories of a twisted scientist named Dr. Nefarious.
To think, they called me insane, Lawrence. We'll see who's insane when my pets have exterminated all life on this miserable planet.
Well, that should clear things right up, sir. When Captain Qwark encountered the amoeboids for the first time, he immediately executed Emergency Response Plan number 2.
Hey, wait just a minute.
Qwark then proceeded to stall for time while he coordinated the city's defenses from the women's restroom at Galaxy Burger.
Give me that thing, you lying no good. Right. Now where were we? The moment I touched down, I knew the situation called for a head-on assault. Without hesitation, I rushed to do heroic battle with the monstrous amoeboid horde.
Now, I'm gonna be honest. It's tragic that Qwark lost his life, and I know that many people definitely looked up to him, but
All right, now for the fancy stuff. Press X while I'm in the air near a wall to see my awesome wall kick move.
But honestly, I never really did like him in the first place. I'm not gonna say he deserved to die because, you know, this isn't his fault. Nefarious tricked him, and Qwark just couldn't make it out in time. But, hang on. I don't know, I guess my feelings are kind of mixed, because while I never really liked him, it is kind of sad that he died. Okay, I thought there was like a hidden token there or something. Ow! Punk? Anything else around here? Nope. see a thingy up there. The crap? Oh! I was like, why is it not doing anything? Oh! Okay, those actually hurt. $20 tokens to go. Yay!
His amoeboid army defeated, Dr. Nefarious had no choice but to flee Blackwater City in disgrace.
You've not seen the last of me. I will have my vengeance if it takes 1,000 years.
Dr. Nefarious was right about one thing. He and Qwark would meet again, and sooner than he realized. For a true hero like Captain Qwark will stop at nothing in the name of justice.
What? I held my breath.
Issue 3, Shadow of the Robot.
Episode 3, Shadow of the Robot. For 6 days, Captain Qwark clung to the ship like the dung of a giant green space bird. Finally, the ship arrived at its destination, a secret robotic laboratory on planet Magmos. Drawing on his mastery of the ancient art of disguise, Qwark slipped into the laboratory completely undetected.
Somebody ordered pizza?
Qwark's plan was flawless, but unbeknownst to our hero, his every move was being watched.
The famous Captain Qwark couldn't possibly be this stupid. Could he?
Even drooling imbeciles can achieve success in certain fields, sir. Mad science, for example. Shall I have him annihilated, then?
Let him come to us. I'll have a special surprise waiting for him.
Sinister. Now, I think there's actually a skill point for completing these levels in a certain amount of time. But there's a very good chance that I'm likely going to be waiting until I complete all of the VID-COMICS before I do that. Because then I won't have to worry about collecting all the collectibles again. Whew! Close one. Ow.
Press analog stick for precision aiming.
I don't know what he's going on about. Damn it. That's kind of mean to have the robots be able to fire missiles that fast.
Doesn't seem very practical, does it, sir?
I'll say. He's gonna die right here.
I love how you can hear Nefarious and Lawrence commenting on what I'm doing in the background. He could have died right here! Alright. I'm all good. Always check every wall just to be safe. Ow! I think it would say I got a skill point right as I hit the end of the level.
It's over, Nefarious.
Never! I am the greatest genius the galaxy has ever known. You're no match for the likes of me.
That's rich. I used to beat up geeks like you in high school. I'll bet your prom date came in a box that said batteries not included. Say, come to think of it, we've met before, haven't we?
No, of course not.
Mr. Buzel's 9th grade biology class.
I always hated biology.
That's right, you were that freak with the headgear. Remember how you used to clean the chalkboard with your pants while you were still wearing them? Oh, good times.
You were 3 times my size, you stupid hoe.
I was always big for my age.
You were 26.
Say, how about a wedgie for old time's sake? I think it's safe to say we've seen the last of Dr. Nefarious. Time to celebrate another job well done.
But the danger was far from over. For in defeating one menace to the galaxy, Qwark had created another, even more terrifying evil.
Health not upgraded? Well, I want to go back in and find it, honestly.
Captain Qwark, you look more impressive. Oh, this is going to be good.
Aha! You can't fool me that easily, Nefarious.
After we kill Qwark, this place could use a good factory, Lawrence. Forget to get out of the coffee cake. See that, Lawrence? Captain Qwark, fortresses on the hollow. Oh, this is going to be good.
Okay, I already got the health upgrade. Oh, I can destroy that.
After we kill Qwark, this place could use a good factory, Lawrence.
Hang on.
Captain Qwark, you're the fortresses on the hollow. Oh, this is going to be good. After we kill
Alright. Let's see what happens now.
Episode 4. Deja Q. All over again. After defeating Dr. Nefarious on planet Magmos, Qwark returned to his condo in Metropolis for some well-earned R&R.
Oh, Lance, it's time you knew the truth. The baby isn't yours.
What? Who is the father?
Oh, your evil twin brother, Engelbert.
But Janice, I am Engelbert.
Ooh, must be that pizza I ordered.
Guten Tag, Captain Flabby.
Helga, what are you doing here?
Getting you off your lazy butt. You have plumped up like a giant green bratwurst. It is time for the fitness course.
Oh, all right.
Meanwhile, on a rooftop high above the bustling streets of Metropolis.
The hour of my vengeance is at hand. Go now, my robotic servants. Tear this city apart. Bring me the head of Captain Qwark.
I remember this level being kind of a pain with one of the, I remember this level being kind of a pain with one of the, Qwark tokens. Pretty sure there's like one of these things I'm supposed to jump over, but I can't recall. Crap. Did I just... I thought I saw a platform. Damn it!
A ladder. How do these things work again? Oh, I remember. Just press up or down.
Right here. Right down here is a hidden Qwark token. That one always confused the hell out of me until I pretty much had to look it up. Damn it. Okay, real quick, is there something up here? Nope. I'm just double checking. Things are a lot easier once I know where everything is. Aha! Oh, I see. Awesome. Okay, I see. There's like hidden platforms over there. There's my health upgrade. Shoot.
It is I, Dr. Nefarious.
You again? Different about you. Wait, don't tell me. You changed your hair.
Qwark! I'll get you for this.
Sorry. What's that, Stumpy?
This isn't over, Qwark. I swear, I will return someday to destroy you and bring Metropolis to its knees.
Uh-huh. Just a word of advice, Nefarious. Quit while you're ahead.
And so Qwark believed that the threat posed to the galaxy had been ended forever. But seems the script is missing a few pages.
Thanks, Professor. I'll take it from here. And so ends the greatest tale of courage and heroism ever told. The true story of Captain Qwark's triumph over the nefarious supervillain known as, Dr. Nefarious.
Aren't you gonna unlock Qwark's secret costumes? Here, I'll use the cheat codes. Let's see. Up, up, down, down, left, right, circle, square, square. Even a tutu!
Metropolis! That's where Nefarious is gonna strike first.
Are you sure?
It makes perfect sense. Nefarious tried to destroy Metropolis years ago, but Qwark stopped him. Nefarious swore he'd come back and finish the job someday. Now that he has a secret weapon, he's ready to make his move.
Set a course for Metropolis. Let's hope we're not too late.
I wonder if I can actually have Qwark in a tutu. I don't know. But seems like we're definitely all in danger now. Nefarious plans to aim for Metropolis first.
Armor is available at the Gadgetron armor vendor.
Nice.
Man, I need to drop a few pounds so I can squeeze into that new Agent Mark V battle suit. That thing uses sub-quantum gravity singularities to produce a phase shift inversion field. See for yourself at the armor vendor. If anybody finds a Star Master scientific calculator, please contact Lost and Found.
I don't have enough for it. Alright, also real quick, I'm gonna go to Aquados, because I want to see if Slim has any more weapons available. Huh. Maybe he has them in challenge mode. Well, if that's the case, then, until next time, everyone, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank, Up Your Arsenal. Next time, we are going to continue with going to Metropolis, and hopefully we'll be able to put a stop to whatever Nefarious has in mind. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.